Hello, and welcome. In this video, we will take a deep dive into a real-world use case, personal auto claims investigation, including fraud detection, total loss verification, and liability calculation, all powered by JIVA-Gen AI Orchestration Platform. Let's begin with a hypothetical claim. John Doe, the insured, was stopped at a red light when he was rear-ended by Jane Smith, driving a 2021 Honda Civic. The impact caused significant damage to the rear bumper, trunk, and possibly structural components of John's 2022 Nissan Altima. The insurance company has gathered all the initial data. The field adjuster uploaded notes and images, and the claim number 982555001 is now under review by a claims officer. As a first step, structured data sources such as claims and policy databases are connected to JIVA. All unstructured data, such as police reports, eyewitness reports, medical and car rental bills, and adjuster notes, is connected from various sources, including AWS S3, SharePoint, and local drives. JIVA can connect any SQL data source, and it has 40+ connectors already built for unstructured data sources. Once all the data sources are connected, JIVA synthesizes the entire data using a knowledge graph, creating a combined data fabric. This graph represents metadata at a nodal level, showing correlations and dependencies across all connected sources. Importantly, nodal-level security is applied, ensuring role-based access and data governance. Building of knowledge graph is a one-time activity and it automatically updates for incremental data elements. Now, the claim is ready for review. The claims officer asks JIVA to generate a summary for claim number 982555001. Within seconds, JIVA provides a comprehensive overview such as insured and third-party details, incident report, damage assessment, coverage summary, and recommended next steps. Each insight is traceable. JIVA displays the SQL queries used to retrieve structured data and unstructured documents, which are utilized to generate the summary, including citations at the page level. This traceability brings transparency, accuracy, and auditability. Behind the scenes, JIVA utilizes the knowledge graph as a reasoning engine, grounding the large language model. This dramatically reduces hallucination, ensuring every detail is fact-based and contextually valid. Here we are using OpenAI LLMs. But user has a choice to use their own LLMs or any other service providers. Moving on, the officer then verifies authenticity by comparing police reports, third-party witness statements, and field adjuster observations. Next, the officer asks JIVA, "Is this a total loss?" JIVA calculates the actual cash value. Since the repair cost is below the Illinois state threshold, the system confirms it's not a total loss. Finally, the officer asks JIVA to calculate the total liability for this claim. JIVA reviews the policy, accident details, and state liability laws. The conclusion? Jane Smith is entirely at fault, and John Doe is eligible to recover repair costs from her insurer. But that's not all. JIVA can also generate an agentic AI workflow for this entire case. This means the officer can summarize, assess liability, calculate ACV, and recommend subsequent actions, all in one orchestrated workflow that can be customized and reused. When the same question is asked using a workflow, the response is even more detailed and structured, leveraging every step in the process. This is just one example of how you can use JIVA for claims assessment. Whether it's underwriting, risk profiling, fraud detection, regulatory reporting, or customer service, JIVA allows insurers to make faster, more accurate decisions, securely and at scale. And yes, JIVA can be deployed on-prem or in your private cloud, giving you complete control over data and compliance.